I'm Brian, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm in Jerome, Arizona, the historic ghost town. This is my first stop. Let's go check out the town. So this right here is the Audrey shaft head frame for the Little Daisy mine. Oh, that was used for transport the workers down below. At least that's my guess. Based on the, yeah, I think it's my guess. Let's go ahead and look in the mine. Okay. It's actually worse down that way. That's kind of weird standing in front, top of the mine. If it breaks, I'm screwed. This would be the turbine and generator. Interesting. Little picnic area. Looks like an old abandoned building. I wonder what that was. All right, let's go leave the park and explore the town. Sorry about my car, I got parallel park it. That's an interesting looking find. Very cool. Jerome is quite busy. Is that the sliding jail? I have no idea, but this guy is a dedicated firefighter. This place is pretty busy right now. I think we have something historic up here. Let's go check it out. So this is what's left of
What?
Was this the saloon or the hotel? I think this was the hotel. And someone just called it potty art. And they're not too wrong. And here's a saloon here, but I'm not sure if this was a saloon. I'm guessing probably. They had a lot of saloons. They had a fire and they lost. I forget what the number was. So many saloons. I had to say today, this ghost town is not a ghost town. Ghost town turned tourist trap. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking I could use ice cream. Butter pecan. Awesome. That guy with the bicycle. I'm back on the motorcycle. Huh. Okay, ice cream break is over. Let's go see what we can find. I don't know. It's a house of joy. And there's a skeleton out front. Fun to dive far. I'm looking everywhere for this thing. This is the jail that slid down the mountain. Mostly intact. Back in 1905. When it slid down the hill. That's a pretty elaborate prison escape. Can you imagine living on this? That's pretty cool. Walking up these crazy steps. I mean, literally. I guess they're steps. What was this before they put art in it? That's old 37. Jerome Police Department. Fire Department. Let's go climb some steps. I think we're walking up to the hotel. Probably. There's the Hotel Connor. I think it caught fire twice. Thanks for joining me on today's walk around Jerome. It was pretty neat. A little touristy for me. I will see you guys someplace or another. Bye. Well, I thought I'd stop for the scenic view. It's pretty scenic. Stay tuned for more adventure to come. Subscribe, like, share, and thanks for watching. Bye.